How to fix issue with tapping on the screen does not wake up or turn on the phone for the iPhone 16 series. So here you can see if I tap on the display, it does not wake up the phone. So to fix this issue, first let's return back to your home screen and then go into settings. Now in settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. Then from here, we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then we scroll down and tap on touch. After that, we scroll down and tap on tap or swipe to wake. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Here say wake and unlock iPhone when tap on the display or swipe up from the bottom edge of the lock screen. So here on my lock screen, I can tap on it to wake the screen, as you can see. Now if from the lock screen, if I try to swipe up, it does not work. But if you tap on the screen to wake up the phone and then swipe, then that will work. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.